Okay, let's move on to IELTS speaking part 2. Your topic is describe a water sport you would like to try in the future.
So there are many variety of the water sport, but I like to try in my future um, river rafting and swimming, because I liked swimming, um, but river rafting I have no chance gain any chance to doing river rafting, so I want to select river rafting. My last year my friend told me about river rafting, and she enjoyed it a lot. So it's river rafting is a adventure for me, so I want to try this. And it's an adventure game, and um, I want to do this.
Okay, this answer is short, like you need to speak for minimum 1 minute, and in actual exam, wait for the examiner to stop you. But overall, your performance is better than before.
So
But
I
just
want to
keep on.
try
You should
more
speak
and
more.
more.
Exactly.
Yes.
Absolutely. All right, now let's move on to speaking part 3. Why do many people like going to places near water?
Because they want to enjoy this. When all people's all the group of different ages, people want going there for relaxation, and their all the day of burden of the day, they going there for reduce your tensions and want
Okay,
to.
they going there for use their tensions. It
Yes.
doesn't make any sense. So you need to make sentences which are grammatically correct, as well as the information you are trying to provide, it should be clear, right? So you should focus on that. The way
Okay.
you are speaking at the moment, it can help you achieve maximum 5 band. So in order to achieve 6 or 7, the first thing is English grammar. Your sentence structure should be correct.
Okay.
Second, your timing. Like for cue card, you spoke for 50 seconds. Try to
Oh.
speak for 1.5 minutes. And the third thing is content, what you speak for your answer. These things will improve, right?
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Oh.